Hey everyone! So now that we have created all the functions we need to render our cards, all the functions we need to generate all the information like illustration and card information, we can finally assemble everything together to generate our magic card using AI stuff. So let's start here. Before we create a function, let's start with some examples. So the first thing we need to do in a render card is to load a blank card. So this function here. So we can go and load, I don't know, maybe a blue card. It is a no creature, let's say false, because it is a creature. The next thing to do will be to draw the menace. So let's go up here, find the function we defined to draw the menace. Here. So we can go back, use this reference here. Maybe, I don't know, 5 and 1 blue. Then we can go and place the illustration of our card, and we can go take this function, start illustration, place it here. So let's see how it is going. Okay, it's a blue card, a dragon here. This is the mana cost. Actually here I said blue, but blue is represented by U. B is for black. Okay, so we can go here and get the function we use to write the card name. Where is it? Render text, red card type, it's right here. Okay, so write card name. So here will be rendered card, right card name. I don't know, maybe the sky dragon. We go up here and then get the function to write the card type. Where is it? The card name is here. Write card type. Rendered card, then write card type, rendered card, and creature dragon. Okay, so now we can go and write the card text and flavor information. Write card text and flavor. Where is this function? Right centered. Here. So we can take this, put it here. I don't know, maybe just say it is a flying creature. Let's write flying. Flavor text, let's write a riding through the skies. So the next thing to do is to write the card power and toughness. Actually, the function is right here. Power, I don't know, maybe 5 and toughness 5. So here it is. Finally, our magic generated card in hand. So now all we have to do is to wrap these rendering functions inside the render function. So let's do it by defining a render card function where it will receive the color of the card, whether it is a creature or not, its manas, the card illustration, the card name, the card type, the ability text, the flavor text, the power, the toughness, yeah, toughness, pretty much it. So here we have to take everything here, place in this function, but here you're going to use the color and the non-creature flag pass here, the manas we pass here, the render card is fine, illustration, the card name here, name, the card type goes here, the card flavor text and text, the ability text, and here it goes flavor text, and then power and toughness. There's one detail here because this step here needs to be in function of this thing here. If it is not a non-creature, that is, it means it is a creature, we have to do this final step here. So then we just return the rendered card. Okay, so let's try our card. Put the same information here. Let's do like this. So here color blue, non-creature false. The manas we set 5 blue. Illustration will receive illustration. The card name will be Sky Dragon. The type will be creature dragon. The ability text will be flying. The flavor text is ready for the skies right here. The power is 5. Oops. Power is 5 and the toughness is 5. Yeah. So if we choose this to red, it will be a red here. Red mana. And if you go like Sky Furious Dragon, I don't know, it will replace. So okay, so with this function we can finally render our card. So the last thing is to get this together with the AI things we did in the beginning of this tutorial. So let's go and define this function here, generate card, using only the card name. So here first we need to do is to generate the card illustration. So where is the function? It is this one here. So let's go back here, card illustration, receive this function. Then we need to get the card parameters with this function here. Go card parameters with card name. And then we go with this render function here and goes with the information of the card. But now the card illustration needs to go here. Then the card parameters will be here. It will be color. Here we have the non-creature and flag. In case this thing here, the AI fails to generate this flag here, it's a good idea to do a sanity check. So if this thing here is invalid, it will at least use this value here. So the manas, we're going to do card parameters cost. The card name will be the card name. Well, there is a field for the name. Let's use it here. Let's go with this and go here, name. Here in the type, we are going to use the type of the card. And in the ability text, we are going to go just with text. That is the name of the parameter used. Here in the flavor text, we are going to flavor text. And then power, it is just power. And the toughness, it is just toughness. So the same way we did here, let's do some other sanity checks here. So in case this value is invalid, it will be an empty. Here it will be an empty list. Here it is an empty string, empty string, empty string. Here will be 0. And here it will be 0. Okay. So now let's see whether this worked or not. Let's try with Tiger. Taking some time, generating things. Hope it is not broken. Great, so here it is, our final result, or almost final result. It generates a card that is a forest, tiger, an image of a tiger, creature cat. Tigers are free spirits that run the forest. This text here is not a proper ability, but that's fine. And here the flavor text, it's tag. So let's try with magic lamp. It should not be a creature. Let's see whether it works or not. Chururu, yeah, worked. So I created an artifact that when you tap, you choose a card name. Target opponent reviews their hand and discards all cards with the name. Grant my wish, show lamp of magic. Okay. So let's try another thing, like here is spirit bird. I don't know. Oh, nice. Let's try here sorrow. Oops. Sorrow. Oh, this is nice. Tells about the ring. Yeah, let's see whether we can do the one ring. Most of the time it takes to generate is due to the image generation step. Everything else is pretty much fast. Okay, so nice. Ring, let's, I don't know, maybe Harry Potter. When Harry Potter enters the battlefield, you may search a library for a spell card, review it, and put in your hand and shuffle. The boy who lived, the chosen one. Okay, so here it is, our magic card generator, and we started with the AI things generated, like the card parameters and the illustration. Went through a lot of steps in order to render our card. So in the next lesson, I will go through how you can integrate these functionalities with a web service, a website. So you can, instead of typing these card names in these functions, you actually type this in the web form and get this card returned in a web format. So see you there. Bye bye.